Good morning. Wishing all my dear teachers happy Teachers Day. I am Kaya Shruti, studying in standard 10 from Jai Somnath English Medium School. Today on the occasion of Teachers Day, I pay my respect to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna and I bow down to the teachers of my school. I am very thankful that they gave me the opportunity to teach you all. Today I will be teaching you the chapter Wonderful Waste from the standard 5th. So let us start the chapter Wonderful Waste. So what do you mean by wonderful? Wonderful means marvelous. And what do you mean by waste? Waste means that unwanted things which we don't use, and we should not waste the things that we can reuse them. For example, bottles, plastic bottles. What should we make from plastic bottles? We can make a flower vase, pencil stand, and many more things. At night, the chapatis are left over. So what our mother do? She used to do deep fry the rotis and reuse the rotis. So we should not waste the food. We should reuse the food and not waste the food. So before we start the lesson, let us start the hard words. First, Travancore, Palace, Survey, Feast, Scraps, Sternly, Flashed, Strips, Chilies, Garlic, Tempting, Whip, Curd, Decorated, and Avial. Let's repeat the hard words. Travancore, Palace, Survey, Feast, Scraps, Sternly, Flash, Strips, Chilies, Garlic, Tempting, Whipped, Curd, Decorated, and Avial. So let's start the word meaning. In a fix, a situation, and hard to escape from. Word meanings. In a fix, a situation hard to escape from. Flash across the mind, suddenly think of. Scraps, leftover materials. Survey, examine. Tempting, attractive. So let us repeat the word meanings. In a fix, a situation hard to escape from. Flash across the mind, suddenly think of. Scraps, left over the material. Survey, examine. Tempting, attractive. So let us understand the lesson, that is wonderful waste. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. So once upon a time, Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. He ordered his cook to make delicious dishes for the feast. And the very afternoon, he entered the kitchen to supervise the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? He asked the cook, pointing the basket of scraps near the cook. The cook replied, they are the waste. We will throw them away. So then Maharaja asked the cook that what would you do with these vegetables? So the cook replied, they are the waste, Maharaja. We will throw them away. You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them. The Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. The cook said to the Maharaja that these are all the waste. So Maharaja angrily said to the cook that you cannot waste this much quantity of vegetable. You have to find a way to reuse them. And Maharaja commanded and walked away. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at vegetable scraps for some time. Suddenly an idea flashed across his mind. The cook was in a fix. The cook was thinking about the vegetables, that how he reused them, and suddenly he had an idea in his mind. He took all the vegetable bites, washed them and cleaned them well. The cook washed the vegetables nicely and cleaned them very well. Then he cut them into long strips He put them in a huge pot and placed it on a fire to cook. Next, he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic together. He added this paste and some salt to the vegetables. Then the cook cut that vegetables into long strips. He put them into a huge pot and placed it on a fire to cook them well. And next he ground coconut and added green chilies and garlic paste. Then he added this paste and some salt to the vegetables to cook well. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now he whipped some curd and added it to curry. A very good smell coming out from the pot, and now he whipped curd and added curry leaves to it. Now he poured a few spoons of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Now he added spoons of coconut oil and garnished it with the curry leaves. He also decorate the dish with curry leaves, and he decorate and garnish the dish with curry leaves. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. The new dish was ready and it was very good. The cook served this new dish to the guest. Everyone was eager to know the name of the dish. The cook thought and thought, then he came and the new dish was ready. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook think, then the name of new dish arrived in his mind, and he named the dish with avial. And avial become very famous all over the Kerala, and avial become a traditional Kerala feast. And imagine it came from the basket of waste. So the conclusion of the chapter is we should not waste the waste. We try to reuse if it is possible, and we should not waste the food. Now we will do some exercises. So now let's learn the rhyming words. Rhyming words: feast, beast, grand, brand, dinner, winner, fixed, mixed, cook, book. Now repeat again. Rhyming words: feast, beast, grand, brand, dinner, winner, fixed, mixed, cook, book. Now let's start the opposite words: before, after, throw, catch, waste, conserve, famous, unknown, fresh, stall. Now repeat again. Give opposite: before, after, throw, catch, waste, conserve, famous, unknown, fresh, stale. Now let's start the question answers. Why did the Maharaja go into the kitchen in the afternoon? महाराजा किचन में क्यों गए शाम को? The Maharaja went into the kitchen in the afternoon to make survey of the dishes that had been prepared for the dinner. महाराजा किचन में इसलिए गए थे वो डिशेस को सुपरवाइज करे, क्योंकि वो डिशेस शाम के लिए बनने वाली थी कि अच्छी बनी है कि नहीं बनी है. What had the cook planned to do with vegetable scraps? वो कुक ने क्या किया, वो वेजिटेबल्स वो साइड में वेस्ट पड़ा था उसके साथ. द कुक हैड प्लान टू थ्रो अवे द वेजिटेबल स्क्रैप्स. सो कुक ने ऐसा सोचा था कि मैं इस वेजिटेबल फुल ऑफ वेजिटेबल बास्केट को मैं फेंक दूंगा. वॉट बिकम फेमस ऑल ओवर द केरला? Avial become famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in the traditional feast of Kerala. केरला में कौन सी डिश फेमस हुई? तो अवियल बिकम फेमस ऑल ओवर द केरला एंड वो अवियल उनके ट्रेडिशनल फीस्ट हो गई. दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट दिस चैप्टर. आई होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. थैंक यू. बाय.